preserving our planet and our world. Before I answer all your questions, let's go check up on Dr. Metz and Dr. Kleisinger. Hello. Hi. What are you girls doing here today?
We are doing a CO2 experiment.
Oh, experiment.
CO2 is a natural gas in our atmosphere which keeps us warm. But humans are making too much CO2, which is causing climate change.
We are making CO2 to show it as a gas. With this balloon, we are showing CO2 can be captured. Scientists around the world are capturing CO2. And what are you girls making CO2 out of?
We are using common household items, vinegar and baking soda.
Goggles on, kids.
As you can see, the balloon blows up.
The bubbles in the test tube are CO2, and the balloon is capturing it. Thanks, girls. That was a great experiment to show what CO2 is and that it can be captured. Now let's move on to our questions from all of our viewers. First question is from Maren Kay from Estevan, Saskatchewan. Her question is, what is carbon capture storage? Well, carbon capture and storage is when CO2 is captured after it is released from the burning of fossil fuels. We want to capture it because it is hurting the earth by polluting the air. If we capture it, there won't be as many negative effects on the earth.
This question came in from Jody from Wilcox. How is carbon capture and storage part of the sustainability of our planet? Well, Jody, if we capture and store CO2, the captured CO2 that we put in the ground helps sustain the earth because it reduces climate change. Eventually, the liquid CO2 could be sold to use in gas and oil productions.
Our third and final question of the day is from Trinity from Saskatchewan. Her question is, what are the steps necessary in carbon capture and storage? Well, Trinity, to answer your question, first, the scientists have to turn the CO2 into a liquid. Then it's transported by ship, truck, or pipelining. Then piped underneath the ground. It has to be very deep and sealed tightly so the CO2 can't escape.
CO2 Matters.